Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start a conversation with ChatGPT. So without wasting any time, let's get started by opening the ChatGPT app. Then tap on the two white lines in the top left corner. And tap on New Chat or open a new window. Here you will see the voice option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and now you can start speaking with ChatGPT. You can also change the voice from the settings. For that, tap on the two white lines in the top left corner again. Then tap on your profile and scroll down. As you can see, here you can change your voice. For now, I will select Spruce. If your ChatGPT app does not have this option, make sure to update the app to the latest version and also allow microphone access in your phone settings. Once you have done that, go back and enjoy using voice chat. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video.